Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video here on Free Will Photos. And today what I want to talk about is photo editing software as a whole. And this is going to be more of a talking head video, but I think that it's important because on this channel and many other channels here on YouTube, there's influencers like myself that are talking about software and recommending their preferred software. Now, that's the exact reason why I'm making this video. I am recommending my personal preferred software. You don't have to necessarily take that recommendation, and I don't want anyone to run off taking my recommendation as that's the software they must have. But at the same time, the reason I recommend the software is because I think that ON1 Photo Raw really is one of the best editors on the market. That's a subjective choice, and that's okay. Now, the reason I really wanted to make this video is because I wanted to share with you that you can create great works of art in any program. The goal is to find the program that's going to work the best for you. The program that's going to fit your style, your workflow, and get the end result that you're really looking for. That's what you should really be looking for when you're searching for a program. And this is also the reason why I always suggest trying out the software. What I found is it takes about 30 days, maybe 60 in some cases, but 30 days usually, of consistent use. So every single day you have to commit to using the software to figure out how it best works in your workflow and to get comfortable and familiar. ON1 Photo Raw, the reason I recommend it and the reason I teach it to so many people is because I'm able to create things. It's an extension of my creativity with the images that I put into it. I don't have to think about which tools do I want to use, which tools don't I want to use. I just go ahead and start editing my photos. I know exactly what I'm going to get, and I can stay consistent. That's the whole point of getting a photo editor, that you're going to be able to stay as consistent and as thorough with as far as you need to be for your editing. I can't necessarily make that decision for you. I can help you, I can help coach you, and that's what I do. That's the whole point of me having the coaching calls that are available in the description box below. And no, that's not a shameless plug. That's really just me saying I want to help you. So if you sign up for those coaching calls, I'll walk you through the main photo editing software that's on the market and help you kind of figure out what makes the most sense for your personal workflow. Now, for those of you who have made the decision to purchase ON1 Photo Raw 2026 and you want to pre-order it, you can save some money when you pre-order by using the coupon code FREEWILL10. It'll save you $10 off of that purchase. This is an affiliate coupon code, which means I make a small commission from everyone who uses it. It's a great way of supporting the channel, and it's at no extra cost to you. It's a win-win because you get to save money and you support this channel at the same time, and you get software. So it's a huge win all around. Now, if you have questions about the differences of the versions of ON1 Photo Raw, then stay tuned. I have a video coming out about that. So if you want to know if you need to pick up the Max or the base version of ON1, I'll simplify it for you. If you need to use ON1 Photo Raw as an extension or a plugin for Photoshop, Affinity Photo, Capture One, Apple Photos, etc., then you're going to want the Max version. If you don't need that capability, then just go with the base version because it's going to give you all of the flexibility that you need. Also, if you don't want to go with the Max version, but you still want to use ON1 before you move your images into another program, you can use ON1 to do your raw processing and then export that image and post it into Capture One, Photoshop, Affinity Photo, etc. So hopefully that was helpful. If it was, smash the like button, subscribe, hit that thumbs up. And until next time, I want you to stay inspired and keep creating. Peace.